Module 4, Steps to Implementing a Vanpool Program. Transit agencies that are intrigued by the idea of implementing vanpooling service may be hesitant to take the first step, as they are uncertain about how vanpooling will be accepted in their community. Before committing to a program, agencies can ask these two questions. 1. Who are the riders you are not currently serving? And 2. What are the community's needs? In designing a vanpool solution, be sure to embrace the perspective of end users, such as employers and riders. The agency should also look at vanpooling in the context of its other services. How can vanpools complement existing transit services? Is the agency looking for options such as vanpools to reach destinations currently not served? What research needs to be done to understand a community's interest in vanpooling? There are many other considerations, such as financial considerations. For example, how will the capital and administrative cost of the program be covered? Will the first vans be purchased or leased? What are the potential funding sources? Are there funding streams, such as the Congestion Mitigation Air Quality Program, that can help with this? Are there employers who would be interested in co-funding vanpools to their work site? There are also operational issues, such as driver training and incentives, rider recruitment and incentives, payment arrangements, tax benefit administration, and so forth. While an agency is exploring these many aspects of vanpooling, it is also encouraged to test out the concept of vanpooling in their community. For example, a transit agency can conduct research in the community by interviewing commuters, holding focus groups, speaking with the local Chamber of Commerce or Economic Development Corporation, or interviewing employers. Once potential areas that could benefit from vanpooling are identified, the agency can create a visual presentation on how the vanpool would work and present it to the target community. It can also have a peer agency that has an existing vanpool program collaborate on joint presentations to the community. Testing the waters through this type of research will ensure the decision to move forward with vanpooling is based on what is best for the community and thus will be supported by the community. Learn more about these type of design techniques through the resources provided with this module. Once an agency has decided to move forward with vanpooling, it can look at 3 broad models for beginning a program: an internally operated program, contracting with a third-party vendor to run the program, or a hybrid approach where the agency decides which tasks to keep in-house and which tasks to contract to a third party. Internally operated program. In this model, the transit agency owns, maintains, and insures vehicles, markets and forms vanpools, determines driver eligibility, recruits drivers, and provides driver training, assists in recruiting riders, processes National Transit Database, or NTD, data, if applicable, and provides rider subsidies, if applicable. Third-party operation. In this model, the third-party operator owns, maintains, and insures vehicles, markets and forms vanpools, provides driver training, assists in recruiting riders, and processes NTD data, if applicable. The transit agency can still provide rider subsidies, if applicable.
We do not own our own equipment. It is a turnkey management contract. BPSI manages the whole contract for us. They do all the marketing. They manage the drivers. They provide the vans. There's a tremendous financial benefit to Coast Transit Authority for our Vanpool program. We actually bring in revenue through the FTA formula program in excess of what our annual costs are. We report the miles through the NTD process at the end of the year. We report monthly on the monthly reporting, and then at the end of the year in our annual NTD report, we report all of our hours, our riders, hours of service, mileage, and then that rolls into the formula fund for subsequent year funding.
One type of agency that would be a good partner with transit agencies in implementing vanpooling is a local transportation management agency. You can find your local TMA in the resources linked with this training. hybrid model. In this model, the transit agency and third-party operators split responsibilities for developing and maintaining a Vanpool program. With this training, many resources have been provided to help transit agencies work through the many aspects of beginning a vanpooling program. The Community Transportation Association staff are also available to answer your questions. In addition, CTAA offers many benefits to agencies that can help them initiate programs, such as help with purchasing vans and fuel and insurance for vanpools. View these resources through the links provided with this module. Thank you for participating in this online training.